Watch this video and learn how to draw Bluey! Yeah!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend
Artie!
Artie.
Artie, we're here!
Oh, wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you ready to do a drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
Greetings, Artie!
What's up, Artie?
Do you want to know what we're going to draw, Artie? Artie? Today, Artie, we're going to draw Bluey.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, let's start by drawing a straight line up at an angle and then a little curve on the end. Go on, Artie, add the curve. There you go. Now go all the way across to the right side and then let's come back down again. Now leave a little gap. That's going to be for Bluey's arm. And then carry on down. You do love drawing, Artie, don't you? Now connect the two bottom pieces with a curved line. Okay, now let's draw Bluey's right arm. Draw two lines coming out through the gap that we left earlier. If you're following along with Artie and we're going a little bit too fast, well then Louie has a message for you.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Alright, now let's draw Bluey's left arm and his left hand. Or really it's a paw because Bluey's a doggy. Doggies don't really have hands, but this is a cartoon doggy, so it's okay. Now let's draw four little short lines. They're going to be Bluey's legs. It's time to draw some shoes on Bluey. Very nice. Now let's do the same on his right leg. Excellent job, Artie.
This is a great day.
I'm having a blast!
Well, I'm glad you're enjoying yourself, Betty and Mikey. We're having fun also watching Artie draw. Oh, I see you're drawing Bluey's ears. They're very simple, just two triangles. Artie's having fun. Now let's draw a smaller triangle inside the larger one. That's correct. And then do the same on the right here. Smaller triangle inside the larger one.
Grab a pencil, chalk or brush.
Now we're going to draw Bluey's nose. Bluey has a little doggy nose, which is an upside down triangle. Make sure you shade the whole thing in black, but leave a little space, unshaded, and that's going to make it look like Bluey's nose is shiny and wet, because doggies have little wet noses. Very good, Artie. Now what does Bluey's nose look like? Do you remember? That's right, it's just a simple line that comes down and then bends back up and then curves into Bluey's mouth. Curve his mouth back round and all the way up to the nose. Isn't he doing great, guys? Time for Bluey's eyes. We'll start on the right and draw a small oval and colour it in all the way black. Now let's do the same on the left-hand side, just above the nose. A little oval shape and colour it in black. Now we're going to draw a big oval around that eye. That's right, Artie. Nice big oval shape. You ready to have a dance break?
Yeah.
Okay, I suppose we can have a dance break.
Look at Artie go!
Dancing is fun.
No, in all my years judging dance competitions, I have never, I mean really, never seen anything quite that perfect. 10.
That was some impressive choreography.
I'm the choreographer.
I didn't know you were a choreographer, Mikey. Now we draw another oval around the left eye. Let's do some teeth, because doggies have teeth. Ooh, and a little tongue. Now let's colour the inside part black. Now let's draw a square on Bluey's chest. Perfect. Now, what is missing? I know, it's Bluey's tail. The end of Bluey's tail is all fluffy like a cloud. Remember to join that tail to the body. That's right, Artie, you're finished. Great job. We should colour him in.
Some color would make this even better.
You're not wrong about that, Betty.
You're all finished? What a wonderful job, Artie. I love the way you chose those 2 shades of blue for Bluey's buddy. He is called Bluey after all.
Well, Betty, the show's almost over. I think I'm gonna get out of here early. You wanna come?
Let's go!
Come on, let's go.
Well, bye, guys. Have a naughty day.
Bye.